Okay, let's talk recommended carts. So in creating a recommended cart, you're gonna log in, you're gonna see your dashboard, all these things. We're gonna go to the left here. Now this is on my computer, obviously. You can also do it on your phone. I'm gonna go to recommended carts. I actually just made this one. Let me just delete it so I can redo it. Um, so I wanna make a recommended cart. What I'm gonna do first is, let's say I wanna send the 30 days to a preferred client. I'm gonna search the 30 days in the search bar, which I just did up there. I'm gonna hit this little heart button. I'm gonna make a new recommended cart, 30 days, and you know what? I'm gonna add the skin elixir as well. Let's say I was talking to a client, they wanted skin elixir too. I'm gonna save it. So the 30 days is in there. Now I'm gonna go search for skin elixir. I'm gonna hit the same little heart button. I'm gonna add it there. And now I'm not done. Now the recommended cart is made. Now how do I share it? So I see here the 30 days of skin elixir. I'm gonna share link. If they wanted to be a consultant, start a business, I would add this 49, the welcome kit. If they want to be a preferred client, the 29. If they're already a client or consultant and you want to share the link, you select this and they just log in and there it is. So let's say I'm sending it to a first-time preferred client. I'm going to add that. I'm going to generate the link. You could even add their name. Generate the link. I'm going to copy the link and I'm going to either use the messages or I'm going to find a way to basically text this link or message this link, get this link to the person I was talking to. Now, beyond that, as you'll see, you can have up to 20 recommended carts. So we have all these: Wade's Workout Must-Haves, Hangover, Breakfast Club, Healthy Habits Set, Productivity, Summer Favorites, Green Gut Glow Shot, Healthy Essentials, Derm Results, 30 Days to Healthy Living, Morning Routine, 30 Days, Jones Cart, like different people's carts, and you can have all these things. And what we do is we save these in our notes or in our keyboard on our phone. So if someone asks for the 30 days, I go boom and I click one thing. I don't even have to log in. I already have the 30 days with the PC recommended cart link attached to it. So I would recommend doing that as well.